Hey, what's up everyone? It's Susan here, the Portland makeup girl. If you want to see how I did this black smoky eye with a silver metal top to it, then keep watching. Alright guys, I want to start out with saying I know my eyes are red, I've been crying, but I'm still here, I'm still showing up to record this video, and I hope that speaks for my dedication to this channel. So I'm going to be starting out with a neutral shade with a really fluffy brush. I don't have anything on my brush right now, but just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to be pressing the shade right into this outer corner of my eye and toggling it back and forth. And this is going to create a really even base. And I'm just picking just kind of a neutral light brown shade. You probably can't even tell at all. It's just kind of, it makes it so we don't have any problems with blending. Right, next I'm going to go straight in with the black. I feel that we have a really neutral base, so it's okay to go in with the black. I would normally try to build the black more by going into a dark brown and then a black, but I don't want any of those other tones in this look. I only want it to be black and gray, so if I were to take a precautionary step by putting a brown down, it would kind of change the vibe, and like, I don't want my vibe changed, you know? So I'm just going to be dipping right into a black. And again, pressing right in that corner where the crease of my eye meets my eyelid. And I'm just going to be toggling back and forth. And let me tell you, this is going to look crazy before it looks good. So just believe in the art. And then I'm going to pick up on my fluffy brush again and then dip into that first shade that we used and go right over this, just making sure it's all blended. Right guys, now I'm going to grab another fluffy brush that has no product in it, a different brush than the first one that we used. And I'm going to now dip into the black and again, just go on that outer crease and blend it inwards. I'm actually going to be switching to another shade of black because I think this one, it has like a blue tone to it that I'm just not into. Yeah, way better. Now I am putting my brush in the outer corner. It has almost no product in it, and I'm going to be doing circle motions, very small, gentle ones, rubbing up into the area that we haven't really touched yet, just trying to blend this up so that it looks more kind of like smoky and less just like a blob. Right, we're getting closer. I'm just gonna keep repeating that process until I have the color that I like. And I do want to say that on some eye shapes, going all the way over here is not the best move. I have so much room in here to work with that it's safe for me, but most eye shapes that have smaller room here, you're going to want to stop about halfway. Guys, I'm pretty happy with the way that looks for now, so I'm going to go forward and I'm going to do my other eye and then be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and now we are going to grab our metal silver looking metallic shade, and we're going to put it all over our lid with our fingers. Now, this palette is very controversial right now. It is the Conspiracy palette. Please don't come for me, guys. It's literally just makeup. I'm not gonna like throw away this palette because some people aren't okay with the people that made it. It's great makeup still, the most beautiful colors. I'm going to be dipping into this Diet Cola shade right here, and I'm literally just gonna like dip my finger and then set it all over my lid. This color is so freaking pretty, it's not even normal. I'm just setting this everywhere, really. Then I'm gonna grab our very fluffy brush that we use to do the black, and I'm just gonna go over where the black meets the silver and just lightly, which is literally, I'm barely touching this on my eye. I'm gonna dip into the black again and just make sure this is 100% blended. Next, I'm going to move to the under eye. We're just going to repeat those steps that we did on the top. So we're going to grab our really light shade for blending, rub that all over the under eye. And that's just going to make sure we don't get any weird chunky spots. It looks so cute right now. And now we're going to pick up on the black. I am focusing most of my stuff on the outside. Sorry, I am focusing the majority of the color on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna grab our first fluffy brush that we use that has the lighter shade on it. And I'm just gonna try to buff in this bottom. Next is eyeliner and mascara, so I'm gonna go off camera and do that. You guys know the drill. I always use a angled brush with some eyeshadow for eyeliner. You do you. You know the what works the best for you, what looks the best, and that type of thing. This is just the easiest thing for me. If you want a tutorial on how I do this, let me know in the comments, or look up here somewhere for a recommendation for another video where I go in a little bit more in depth. But I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I have some mascara on. I added a little bit of highlighter to my inner corner. Yeah, this is what we are working with. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new. I hope that you realize how easy it is to do makeup. I hope that you try something new, and I hope that in the least this inspires you to just try something new with makeup, because it's fun, it's so easy to be really creative, and it's so achievable for you. So I hope you have a really good day. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.